Introducing the Alfa Laval DuraCirc, a revolutionary circumferential piston pump delivering the perfect balance of supreme performance, superior hygiene, simpler service. Simpler service. Innovative design makes maintenance faster and easier, increasing operational uptime. Incorporating a truly front-loading single seal that can be replaced quickly and simply without pump removal from process line reduces process downtime. Missing splines allow for unique rotor positioning, enabling easy rotor refitting, reducing maintenance time. Using a single gearbox lubricant with extended service life maintains continuous operation. Additionally, long life bearings negate the need for any complex maintenance, reducing life cycle cost. Factory set timing and shimming further simplifies standard preventative maintenance, making difficult gearbox rebuilds when changing key components unnecessary. All product wetted parts are fully interchangeable without time-consuming and complex rebuild procedures, emphasizing its simpler service features. The circumferential piston pump with no more compromises, the Alfa Laval DuraCirc.